Hey everyone, in today's video I want to talk about how you can speed up your chances of making commissions as an affiliate marketer using a simple strategy. When starting out as an affiliate marketer, one of your first tasks is to build an email list. How would you feel if I showed you a method whereby you could start to make commissions almost immediately whilst doing this? In today's video I will talk about this simple method, but before we move on to that, I would quickly like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. So if you enjoyed today's video, please do subscribe to my channel and keep your eye out for my latest videos. I try and post 2 new videos each week. Okay, let's move on to today's topic, how to speed up making commissions with this simple affiliate marketing strategy. Now, this particular strategy involves making use of the thank you page that usually appears just after someone has subscribed to your email list. Basically, when someone gives you their email address via your opt-in page, that email address is sent to an autoresponder and stored. So the person who subscribed knows their opt-in was successful. They're directed to a thank you page. This typically thanks them for subscribing and tells them to check their email. This is how a run-of-the-mill thank you page works. However, sending people to a typical thank you page is a wasted opportunity. You see, this is in fact a good opportunity to make your new subscriber an offer while you have their attention. Many affiliate marketers fail to realize that they can use this thank you page to actually make an offer. Now, the thank you page is generally already set up in your autoresponder, and when someone subscribes to your list, they'll be directed to the thank you page on successful completion of their opt-in. Now, you can choose to change this thank you page, and rather than having a generic boring thank you page, you can actually change this page so you're actually making an offer. As an affiliate marketer, you would find a suitable offer and paste your affiliate link into the thank you field in your autoresponder. This way, your new subscriber will be directed to your affiliate offer rather than the normal boring thank you page. By doing this, you will have the opportunity to start making commissions almost immediately, as some people who subscribe to your list and therefore see your affiliate offer may choose to buy straight away. Now, if you look at the screen, I'll quickly run through the process. Basically, when a visitor goes to your opt-in page, so a visitor, this is your traffic, goes to your opt-in page and subscribes to your list, a few things happen. First of all, their email address is stored in your autoresponder. Now, because you've pasted your affiliate link into the thank you field inside your autoresponder, now on successful completion of the opt-in process, the prospect will now be directed to your affiliate offer. And some of these prospects will end up buying, and therefore you will make a commission. Now, in order to be successful with this, obviously you need to find a good affiliate offer that converts well. Now, if you look below in my description, you'll see a link where you can register for a free online training video where my partner Dean, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will talk about the 4 key steps you need to follow to grow a profitable affiliate business today. Now, I highly recommend you sign up and watch this video. Now, hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and if so, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video, as I appreciate your feedback. And make sure you go below and click the link and watch Dean's free online training video. Thank you.